Every great journey begins with a small spark. For us, it was the joy of teaching, the thrill of learning, and the belief that anyone can create magic in the kitchen. What started as a simple idea soon became a movement to learn, to teach, and to experience.
Teaching has never been about repetition. It's about discovering each student's style, rhythm, and their voice through baking. When I joined, I thought I was here to learn recipes, but I ended up learning so much more. Teamwork, patience, and the joy of creating something new.
So the dream was never to teach baking. It was to make pastry arts accessible to everyone who had the spark and curiosity. What we brought to Chennai wasn't just an academy. We just want to recreate the global standards which we experienced when we traveled to learn.
I have been in the F&B business for the past 2 decades. I've been working with chefs, F&B professionals, and entrepreneurs. I've always felt that there is a huge gap in the specialized professional training program for bakery and pastry in India, specifically in Tamil Nadu. The culinary industry is massive, but I loved baking and I enjoyed world-class pastries for everyone to enjoy. I connected this with the market gap, and thus, that is how Food Consulate came into being. Took this as a mission to make this baking science and pastry art accessible to those who are serious about pursuing the same for a professional career. Are still in the continuous pursuit of learning up our game in producing quality chefs, F&B professionals, and entrepreneurs for our industry.
We started as small workshops in cafes, teaching cupcake making, biryani, and kids baking camps, all driven by one idea: to make culinary learning accessible and joyful for everyone. In 2015, we built a space dedicated to that dream, Food Consulate. Our first lifestyle classes brought people from all walks of life to cook, bake, and celebrate food together. From the cook and bake sale to our farmers market events and a special workshop with Renea Smith from MasterChef Australia, our journey had truly begun. By 2016, we went overseas to upskill, returning inspired to launch professional diploma programs in baking and patisserie, in collaboration with City and Guilds, UK. It made Food Consulate Tamil Nadu's first authorized center to issue global certification for pastry education. In 2017, we hosted the Hindu's Christmas Bakes event and established Bougainvillea Cafe, a space where our students could train as interns and experience the real-world rhythm of hospitality. 2019 was a year of pride. We achieved the Guinness World Record for the world's tallest cupcake tower, a feat that still stands unbroken, and hosted the Chennai Food Truck Festival, bringing the food and music community together like never before. Through every milestone, our vision grew stronger: to learn, teach, and experience. Even during challenging times, we adapted with initiatives like the Open Cake Challenge, a cake-making competition for young bakers, reminding everyone that passion never stops rising. In 2023, we celebrated new beginnings. We partnered with Holiday Land at Phoenix Market City and conducted workshops for kids like Mom and Me, and graduation ceremonies that marked the journeys of so many aspiring chefs. Over the years, more than 500 students have walked through the halls of Food Consulate.
What we actually started as a small workshop soon grew into a brand which people started to trust. Today, Food Consulate isn't just known for baking. It's known for excellence, integrity, and experience that people remember.
Every flash, every smell, every smile reminds that I belong here.
We laughed with them, we played with them, and watched them grow into chefs.
We know their names, their strengths, and their messy moments.
Sometimes there were days where things just didn't go right. The dough wouldn't rise or the frosting wouldn't just stay. But the chefs here taught us that even the small mistakes can lead to something good.
Some days it's laughter that fills the kitchen, other days it's the silence of focus.
Every recipe here carries a story, every student has a spark, and every creation made here is a memory.
So, what does Food Consulate mean to you?
Endless challenge.
Professional.
Togetherness.
Happy place.
Second hope.
Exceptional.
It's where my heart is.
We are Food Consulate. We are Food Consulate.
We are Food Consulate.
And this is our story. And this is our story.
We are Food Consulate, and this is our story.